It's BarkBox time, so if you want to get into this box as much as Bandit does, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This crazy guy here with his adorable little hoodie is Bandit, and I swear they sent this because he goes nuts whenever it comes in. All right, so this was the October one. We're a little behind, and that is Lick or Treat. Here's your little sneak peek. And Bandit, what did you get? Let's see. You got, oh, look at this. You got some skelly beans. And I can feel there's something in here. I know. Let's get into this. Wait. Wait. Don't you want to see what's inside? Wait, what's up inside? Look. Look. You got a ghost. Like, just give it to me. All right, we have 3 little ghosts in there. Yeah, okay. All right, there you go. Take it and run. You'll be back. And we have a Bat Outta Howl. Look at how cute he is. And it's like, I will take that. I will take that. All right, next we have some Moo Pies beef recipe and some Baba Soft Bakes lamb recipe. I don't know if he can have these. I'm sorry, buddy. I don't know if you can have these or not. And some Porky Hunks pork and apple recipe. I'll grab my glasses. We'll see if you can have any of these, okay? Come on. Let's go get my glasses to see if you can have any. All right, he cannot eat the Moo Pies. He cannot eat the Baba Soft Bakes. This has brown rice, and he can't have brown rice. He's on a low sodium oxalate diet. This one has molasses, and I believe he cannot have molasses either. And this one also has molasses, so I don't know if he can have any of these. Probably eventually we'll have to discontinue this because we can only play with the toys, and I do give the other treats to my dog and my mom's dog, but we're pretty stocked up on treats. So every month you do get like some little activities. This is a candy corn for dogs. You use 2 small organic bananas, 1 cup plain non-fat organic yogurt, a half a cup of canned organic pumpkin, and a silicone ice cream tray or baking mold. You're going to fill the tray with a half of plain yogurt, freeze it. So like half of the tray, you're going to put plain yogurt. Then you're going to mix a half a cup of yogurt with the pumpkin and blend it. Then pour that over the frozen yogurt and leave room for the 3rd layer. And in the 3rd layer, you're going to mash bananas in a bowl, stir in any remaining yogurt, and pour that over the frozen pumpkin, freeze, and let it set. You can definitely have that. So there's that. I wish BarkBox made a Just Toys box because that would be perfect for him. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. And I hope you all love his new little hoodie. It's very cold these days here, so got to keep warm. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Be kind to one another, and hopefully I'll see you soon.